Today we'll be checking out a Wanyama View standard king bed room at the Chessington Safari Hotel. You are in room 305, which was on the 3rd floor. When you come in, on your right is the bathroom. You have a sink area with a mirror, hand soap and hand towels. You also get given a bath mat to put in the bath/shower, as well as a box of tissues. They provide bath towels as well as shampoo and body wash. Under the sink there is also a bin. Opposite the bathroom is the wardrobe, which has some hangers and an ironing board. There is also a tea and coffee station as well as some shelves for extra storage. The rooms have air conditioning. Beside the beds are switches for the lights and lamps. Although the bed had plenty of space, being king-sized, the mattress was very hard, which made it difficult to sleep. In the cupboard under the TV, there is a hairdryer and a small fridge. The TV is pretty standard and has a range of TV channels for you to watch. The room had some theming in terms of artworks. The kids' bunk bed also had a 3rd pull-out bed at the bottom, which meant that it could sleep up to 3. There was also a chair that you could sit in so that you can look out the window. The view of the Wanyama village allowed you to see the zebras, giraffes and ostriches, as well as other animals. There were plenty of plug sockets, however, there weren't any near the beds. The corridors in the hotels are well themed to the room types. The elevators on each floor are also themed to the hotel. On each floor, there are seating and vending machines. The upper levels provide a view of the restaurant, reception, car park and Wanyama village. On the 2nd floor, there is a bridge that connects the 2 hotels. The Aztec Hotel is more jungle themed.
First floor, discovery. Please remember to pitch your tents in a sensible location. Steady as you go.
Both hotels have their own games rooms, but the one by the Azteca Hotel is larger.
If you look at one, you could definitely take her.
Staying in the hotel means that you have evening access to the Wanyama village after the park shuts. The temple restaurant is located in the Azteca Hotel and provides a buffet experience for breakfast and dinner. You also have exclusive hotel parking.